Hello everyone. Today topic is the hepatitis B disease. So we now predict the hepatitis B disease by using the machine learning. So hepatitis B is mainly cause of the infection, sometimes fever or vomiting, pain, muscles, joint pain, etc. So first you will have installed this library pip install PyForest. I have already installed. The next one is the import the library. So it's working. Now this is the dataset path and this is the path of the dataset and file name is the hepatitis.csv. I will mention this link in description box. So this is the data set: age, sex, stereo, antiviral, fatigue, malaria. All these are the column names. Now look the shape, how many rows and columns. So 155 is a row and 20 columns. The information is a object type. How many is column, object type or integer type. So these are the sex, object type, stereo, antivirus, fatigue, malaria, all object type. The last one is the float type and age is integer type. The next one is show the statistical values. So df dot describe and transport. So it give the count value, mean value, standard deviation value, and percentage max value. Now check the null value. So df dot is null dot sum. It count the total value. So there are the null value. Liver big is 10. Liver frame is 11. All these spider and variance, these all are the null values. So there is a lot of null value. Now fill the null value. So df dot fill na. The fill na is a method which replaces the null value with a specify value. So it now check there is the null value. So you can see there is no any null value. This one is now we use the map function because the data is categorical data. So sex is there is male or female, so we change it into 0 and 1 form. So df, this is the column name, then again column name dot map function where I pass the male is we use the dictionary, male is 1 and female is 0. So it change the value. Now you can see the column value 100. It changed the value. The next one is the we use the column value using the pair plot and show the how many males and female are there. So u is equal to sex. So it show the male and female value and how much value have antiviral value and histology. So this one is the blue point for the 0 means female and pink is male. So the pair plot is up to less than 80, then you can see that there is the woman female value is more than the male. Pink is a symbol of the male. The column name class is there is a true and false value, so we also convert into one class where it a column value is the person is live or died. So we convert this values. So it converted. Now check the value. This is the last column of the data set. So you can see that the 111 is showed the value. Now you can now we convert the data set value because there are mostly data set are in string type or text type. So mostly so we convert into numeric value where we use the df equal sign, then df dot apply function pd dot numeric. So pd dot numeric is used for to convert the more column into numeric value. So now check it's working. You can see that it convert the value all 0010. Okay, now using the group by function where I pass the column value. This one is a sex column value. Fatigue is also the column value. So now we see the how many sex have fatigue value. Dot aggregate function. It gives the value of the, and then class is also the column name. It means that how many person is live after this fatigue uh, infection. So die or live, it give the total. So this is the 0 for stand for the female and 1 for the man. So fatigue value is 010, and then class there is the 48 female and then 58 females. 0 month means death, 48% death, and 158 is live. Then the same is the male. Now count the next is the count plot. It count the how many person have big liver. So liver is 0 and 1.0. SNS dot bar plot where I pass the x equal age and y I pass the liver big and data equal df, then give the title how many age person have liver big, then x level pass the age, and then y level ratio of the liver big and plt dot show. So now we split the data, split the x. I have passed the x equal df dot drop, column name is class is, and y we pass the class, then print the value. So column name is 110110. It show the, now splitting the data from sklearn dot module import train and test, split the data. So it is split the data. Now training and testing, now split again x train x test, white and white test, and then 10 train, sorry, train underscore test and split, then x and y where we pass the text size 0.2 means 80% training and 20% testing data. A random state is start to 42. So it's working. The next shape of the row and columns after training the data. So it show the same thing is the test after testing. So it show the 13 and 19, and now I am using the random forest model. So it's working. Now class create the method or also fit the method. So this is the method name rf. You can take anything. Then we pass the random forest and random state give the 42. You can also mention anything. Then rf method name dot fit, where we fit the x train and y train. So it show the random forest classifier. Now predict the value. So it is the variable name. You can take anything. Y predict, where I pass the rf method name dot predict, and which I want to predict x test data, and then predict the print the y predict. So it give the 110 form, predict the data into 10 form, 111 10 0. Now next is the probability or give the result. So you can see the probability. Y probability give is a variable name. Then rf dot predict underscore probability and x text, and I pass the colon comma then 1. It means that probability, it take the index start with the 1. Mostly in machine learning Python, we start the index start 0. So if we want to see that it not start with 0, so that's why we give the 1. Okay, so it give the result of the probability of that data set. Now next is the matrix from the where we pass classification. It give the report of the and confusion matrix. Rock accurate is a rock curve use. Now evaluate the model classification report. So you can see the classification report. It give the accuracy. Now by classification, it give the 80. Accuracy is the 81%. Now use the confusion matrix. Confusion matrix is used to 23 and 5 to 1. The confusion matrix show use as a table which compare the prediction value to actual value, or actual value for the data set, or also evaluate the performance of the classification module. Now next one is a rock score. So rock score is show the 77 38 something. So it also give it show the how well the machine learning model performance. The next is the visualizer. We result I have using the PLT figure, where pass the fixed size is 10 and 6, and using the bar plot, where I pass the how much healthy person and how much hepatitis B person, where I am using the y test dot sum. It give the sum of the testing data because I am testing the then give the length, and it also show the sum, where X label pass the health status and Y label count and title hepatitis B disease prediction, then PLT dot show. So this is the these are the healthy person, and which is the hepatitis person are this one. Now using the confusion matrix where we use the heat map and we pass the confusion matrix. The same thing is y test and y predict, and these are the parameters. Then title confusion matrix, x level predict value and y level actual value, and show. So you can see the confusion matrix. Okay, this is the actual value and this is the predictive value. Curve, I have told you that it is graphically way we use, or it also used to the model performance. It show the true position or ratio like a y-axis, and false position rate is a x-axis. It also used for the binary binary classification. So you can see the, so these are inbuilt function, thresholder, then y test and y probability. Then there is, we pass the value, then level where we pass the rock curve, and these are the all inbuilt function. These are the, then y test and y probability, then plt plot where we see the 0101 form, and then give the position, x level, false position rate and true position rate, title rock curve, and legend is it lower right. So you can see the true position rate, this is the true, and this is the false position rate, and it also give the accuracy is the 77.0.77%. So this project related to the hepatitis B by using machine learning. Thank you.